Alright, so today we're going to draw a nice baby penguin, which is going to be very easy and the simplest one. First, we draw a shape something like a cylinder. So you can see I'm drawing something like a cylinder, and it's have a pit at the bottom. Mhm, bottom, and another cylinder is going to be inside. All right, inside. Okay, and eye is going to be here. And the two wings on the side, another wing, and on the left side you can see the other wing. Awesome, and a beak in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to put the darker color. First, let's outline the whole stuff. So you can see the wings here. So going for the outer circles of the wings and just filling up the cylinder here. Okay, in these positions you can see there are two feet. So I'm making a little variations in the colors, which is the dark blue color you can see here. I'm putting right now, and you can see another cylinder, smaller one. I'm just putting inside and this segment. Okay, and the beak, it's going to be the orange color. Okay, for the eye you can see right now I'm just putting a okay, putting the borders. All right, now it's time to put the color. So we're putting the black color in the middle. Okay, so for the penguin you can see this is the pure black color. All right, filling up the space. Okay, so it has a two different special colors, like something like wearing a blazer or a coat is the outer circle, and that one is like a all over the body, and it's the black color, and in the middle it has some white reflections. You can see the body part, it's like the belly. Okay, awesome. So almost complete the black part. Just stay with the drawings, see how does it goes. All right, so put some eyes here, one and two. So these two are the eye. Now the last part is left, which is going to be the orange. Just put the orange color with the sign pen. Okay, and we're going to use a simple theme just to put it on the ground. You can see I'm just using crayons and putting it on the ground. Okay, all right, so it's a nice baby penguin. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. As you like it, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.